quick update on how I'm spending my weekend. I am on site. I don't spend all my weekends on site, but today I came to see a friend at his project, learn a few things, also get to give my little 2 cents. So here I am on site. It's actually supposed to be a maisonette. The building next to it is almost complete, and there's another one that's coming up like on the site that I'm going to. So yeah, this is my weekend. I hope you're all having a nice weekend so far. I am having a blast. I hardly ever do vlogs because my life isn't really that much of something that I want to put out there. I feel very exposed when I do vlogs, but today I am going to do a vlog. I'll show you around in the project. I'll show a bit of what's visible. I'm not going to stop vlogging. I'll be putting a vlog like maybe once a month, but memes and more commentaries where my most strength, or rather that's where my forte is. So yeah, have fun.